Hey guys, it's Sugar Skull Candy and I'm coming at you with another tutorial. So Halloween is over, which is a little bittersweet for me because Halloween is like my favorite time of year. But it is time to move on and we're going to start moving into like Thanksgiving, Christmassy, wintry tutorials. So today I'm going to show you how to complete this, I guess you could say, a Thanksgiving look. It's just a simple, cute little burnt orange eyeshadow with little feathers is what I was going for, but they look more like just little decals, I guess. Just little feathers, like turkey feathers. I tried making it look like. So if you like what you see, continue watching. All right, guys. So first thing we're gonna do, well, okay, honestly, I'm just kind of doing this as I go. I don't really have a plan, which if you've seen my videos in the past, I probably shouldn't be doing this, but I'm doing it anyway. Okay. So I just got this. It was my birthday treat to myself. This is a Morphe Palette that I got from Ulta Beauty just yesterday. And it's got so many cool colors. And it's got those nice brown shades that I think will be perfect for this Thanksgiving look. I pretend I know about makeup, but I really don't. Honestly, I love these names on here. They're like Swoon, Go Nude, Little Black Book, Private Party. I just think that they're hilarious. Okay, so let's start with some sort of base color. Oh, we gotta prime our eyes first. So the first thing I'm gonna do is prime my eyes like always with my e.l.f. primer, eyelid primer. So after you have your primer applied, I'm going to go in with the shade called Go Nude from my Morphe palette. Let's see if this is a specific. This specific palette is called Stunning Vibes 35V, in case you're wondering. So I'm going in with the Go Nude shade, and I'll show you what that is. That is this shade right here. And we are just going to use that as sort of like a base. I have Summer Nights from Grease stuck in my head, and I don't know why. I love that song though. Guilty pleasure. Grease, love that movie. It turned colder, that's where it is. Okay. After that second base we applied, I'm going to go in with this shade called Heat. It's like a burnt, it's kind of like a burnt orange, but it's almost a little darker than a burnt orange. And we're going to put that on the lid. That is such a cool color. Like I said, I'm kind of just deciding what I want to do as I go. So if you're like, this seems very like unorganized, it's because it is. Okay, so I think next I'm going to go in with this shade, which is called Polished, down here in the corner. And I'm going to put that in the crease and raise it up to my brow bone. So after that, we're done with the eyeshadow. Now, I want to like go in and do little like feathers, like turkey feathers almost, coming out of the corners of my eyes with different colored eyeliners, like red, yellow, and brown. So that's what we're gonna try. So I have three colored, actually four. What colors do I want to do? I'm gonna take yellow, brown, and orange, as you can see here. And I'm going to try to draw three little feathers coming out the corner of my eye. By the way, these are all by NYX, and I got these at Ulta Beauty as well. the orange and the yellow are from the Vivid Brights collection, and the brown is called Strictly Vinyl. I changed my mind. First, I'm going to just do a line of brown on my top lid and then turn that into a leaf at the end because I do want some sort of eyeliner on my lid. So I'm going to take the brown and do a line over the top. More or less what I was going for. I expected them to look more feather-like, but this works. It's still got the Thanksgiving colors and stuff. I'm just gonna go in with a black pencil liner and fill in my bottom waterline. I'm just gonna add a little sparkle to my eyebrow by doing the Brush on Bling. This is also by NYX, also from Ulta. If you haven't guessed by now, I get like all my stuff from Ulta. After that, I'm going to go in with some fake lashes. I'm going to use some I got from Ulta. These are by Ardell, and I'm just deciding which ones I want to use because this is a variety pack. I'm still kind of like new to the whole fake eyelash thing, so I'm just buying a bunch of different brands right now. I'll tell you one thing. I bought magnetic lashes the other day. They are impossible. I don't recommend them at all. Don't buy them. I honestly didn't even put glue on that. It was still sticky enough that I could just stick it on. I'm going to be taking them off right after this video anyway, so I was like, why bother gluing them when they'll stick just like this? Alright, and that's the completed look. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Please share my videos if you enjoy watching them, as I am really trying to just get all my stuff out there. So, tune back in next Tuesday for a brand new video, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everybody. One more thing. I have to give a shout out to some of my greatest friends who have been literally watching every single video every single week. So this is a shout out to you, Holly, Alexis, Samantha, Shauna, Lauren, and is that everyone? I think so. And my coworkers, Bree and Diana, and my mom probably, and my dad. Thank you.